Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
Yo, what's your birthday asking? Black boy. Yo, what's your birthday asking? Black boy. What's it?
They closed down Fernando, just as was pointed out in the pre-match build-up. They saw him as a player to keep an eye on for Sevilla.
I say for girl now back, you know, because this have to take front seat, the safety, you know.
Yeah, for real. Tied over seatbelt and thing. Tied.
Yeah, ready.
Take care, love you. I vlog with me now, do nothing.
I'm not even a joke, I swear. Like, I'll be so mad. You only hear about I'm never coming here to get the
Somebody there. A nice one, go on over, see me?
Learn from them that joke. Yeah, man, put this in this.
She look perfectly fine on Sharon from the camera. Yeah, and the vlog room. Let's go. Flag world. Good morning, Vlog world. So I go on Vlog world. It's been a while since I've been in my jungle. And think, good morning. Today is a beautiful Thursday. Yeah. As you guys can see, I'm all over the place. So Vlog world, I pretty much just wake up. I draw on some clothes, you know. And think, I go go up on a music video. Yeah. I go link Bensley. I don't know if you know, if not I don't remember Bensley. Right? But I'm a brother that. Veteran artist from Innocent Crew. And I mean, I sing look up in the sky, it's a bird, it's a plane, it's an Innocent Crew on the damn chin chains, y'all. Who next on the... Come on. And drive them inside. Oh man, it looks so... Yeah, hey! Yeah, but anyway. I'm going to shoot a music video today where I produce and thing. So after the end of the video, so you don't know as a producer. You say, I look shut up and be a thing and things. So I'm going to be it quick before them come pick me up. I'm going to go and charge up the camera and things. So you guys are going to journey with me. I'm going on the road. Music video day. Yeah. So go on journey with your boy. You see it? Bed and thing. Let's go. Make sure to be a thing. I'm gonna brush my teeth.
Bruh.
Oh God.
Where we are at? Cuban. Link. Cuban. We a big connect. Cuban. Yeah.
Remember the clocks roll out, you know.
Romiech Entertainment. Birthday bash. Cheese edition. I just tell the guys to be there.
You better.
I don't know where they are going to buy my stuff. All of them
Mr. Boss, you must squeeze
Just go and journey your boy. Big up yourself,
when
Romiech.
there's a girl party,
Birthday.
so guess
Just go and
what?
journey your boy.
Ladies, wanna help me? Anyone know what's up now? Alright, right this up. Don't move it up. Your bad style. Everybody sing happy birthday to Romiech. When hey, not now. Stop. You love make nice your father fix radio. When you go home, sing it on your Instagram and tag him. Listen, man, you're too jumpy. You know if you're going on the force, then catch you out. Play one song. March up. Sparrow. Boss party. Yeah. Some of the people are going to keep partying. Let them out loud. Yes, I'm Magnum 20 case of Moet, 20 case of Hennessy. Magnum Big 20 for Romeich's birthday. And if you don't know, Romiech him love to talk about how I'm rich, no? For fit him, if you like it, when him say, remember I'm rich? Happy birthday, big brother. Magnum Big 20.
No, I'm not too like see my face because my face big and fat. So it look in real life. So my face roll like the moon. Yo, fuck up faces.
You know what I said this thing from Magnum? It's Magnum Big 20. So if you never know, it's 20 years of Magnum, a Jamaican brand, a dancehall brand, a brand that you guys have built. And so we're here to say big up to Romiech on his birthday, the strong 13 years in this game, 4 or 5 years in the other game, and we know say you're out there with the artists them. So big up yourself, Romiech. We love you. Magnum love you. Magnum Big 20 and a 20 case of everything where you sip on stage. So big up yourself.
Thank you, so bossy. Like our Magnum 20, you can't sign me for $20 million. All these people, you them can sign me.
Enough money they have to enjoy my life and some people to get me a power. Living life, just buy a can even more than that. When they get money, was money my task. Shut up, get up a laugh. Said them to stand up, no other sauce. Maybe I'm laughing in my time because I'm about something for Paprika. If the sun in the party, ready to do a load and grab. Hot sauce in the chef in the yard. Scotch with the gun to the sauce. If the sun in the party, ready to do a load and grab. Hot sauce in the chef in the yard. Scotch with the gun to the sauce. I'm never 30. Some are 19, some of them are 30. Some are 17, some are 30. Some of them can do it quickly. We have to believe them also. Dash it up. I'm playing with you. I go over to Jamaica and if you don't know me, get to know me. Romiech, big up yourself, you're a general. Anyway, we're going to tell them love me. Like a 4-8 club, I'm in love, yeah. And if me tell you what, tell them would judge me. Just know what's anything well up there. Top class, and me full of hot sauce. Because hold it and keep me in a green like glass. Get back cross, get class, and I'll be them in the line. That's how me so clean, so sassy. In the cheese, I'm a drink so sassy. Every kick, I'm a beat so sassy. Cause me thinking that this beat so sassy. Oh, me so sassy. I'm a drink so sassy. Every kick, I'm a beat so sassy. Call me king in the street, I'm sassy. So I'll be sassy, I don't think I mean, a couple of girls with me drink on. Girl, I follow me up and the Ingram. She and her friend, I chat me, me have a big black. Sometimes I can't feel like this, and they can't feel like them, so best. So I fly like bird like I wake up me to the left, so me so pizza. I play with you. Let me. Some of them boys, them green up, y'all not talk about them. I can chat about them, don't chat about them, man. As I said, I go and them come out and they don't get to know me. Alright, let's come on. Them hot, fast right. Shots that pull up in a fast ride. Run what we wear on a half price. Shots so big with a half white. But chicken them bright like starlight. One team out so we alright. Every girl one piece on the starlight. Chop some sauce and we them girl a talk about. I just style and we have them love. Girl so we fresh fly like dog. Tell some little boy don't size up. I just we them girl a talk. No need ID, everybody know it. Carry that the girl thing the G all day. No feel like just one night. 3, 6, 5 days we them girl a talk about. Hear me nobody, girl I say me fresh. No sugar dead, everything shot, military cadet. Over we girl are dead now. Fi can't have them in my wallet. When me touch on the whole place get. I've carried on the world, them things on my planet. Them can't stand it, so we them can't attack.
I come on like on that. Big up yourself, bro. Go on the party, a whole vibe. You feel like a fluko party. One, yeah. Play another rhythm there over there, sir. Play the rhythm there over there, sir. Tell them say you're going, you're Jordan. This is please just you don't know we need to really see now. What is that? Oh, it's your friends and your small but I'm going to 20 to cut the time. The other friends will be low, but they want the ball. I'm a tester. Jail is far down when you're doing far. You see, you're going to do something for me. You put the money to you to when you let you breathe. Now you want to do the other thing. Who want to reach? Yeah, me, I'm going to make some. Side of it. You're not there Sunday, never. You're not there Sunday. Big up to everybody who found out tonight, you see. Romiech, big up yourself, you know what me there, you know. Fast. Every day I pray, I know that you will guide. To me know the friends I want to get too much rhythm, but I think you're easy. When you think when you wish to be, you better wish to be, you wish pure, but you can't see. Romiech, they come and just get the remedy. We need pure back. We just get the remedy. Who want to see with it? Hey, not. We are praying. We are praying. We can't test them one more time. One of them, we up, we're from the lips. Skip time, this walk a swift. Oh, all my enemies, make me tell you, all I need to. Not nice. You know anything I'm forward from me now. Yes, it. If I'm not telling you, I was still a holding down. Can't you big up yourself? You don't know anything. What is it? She has to for me now. That stays as it's pain and it's good. Me want mine. My one is in my bosom. So me drink up. Romiech, and me and tell them I'm a dog. Bring us joy. I want my father from the far. Different. What the day is someone there to see that one I say? Hold on. Party already know. You're Romiech, speak up yourself, say it. Happy life and living up. Maybe we just see them and the chilies up. Only you to make the time to chili up. Sing the water now. What is that? It's a celebration every time we link up, yeah. When they reach up like say remember bring choke, yeah. Everybody happy, come make me papa back. Just enjoy yourself, don't make nobody stop you. You know the thing going on, big up. You know, me a call and want to look at you, man. But like 4 doses of Ebola. So checkpoint, big up yourself. I mean, all I get them a chat about. Gosh, talk to them!
Yo, just jump already, me because you know me money not be like you. You bomb, where we get is standing like place there. But you know the thing already, now. Yo, Romiech, big up yourself, hear that? You know what this thing never want to see. So we set it on a level, nobody care to grab down. You see when Romiech step out and look well clean? Tell them you're white preaching. When the road out and the people with the rings and spinning out. Yeah, now. You know we not do all these guys, you see me? So we are going to jump on next and move. Alright then. So why you where the better weed there. Boy town where the better weed there. Cause the other skinny and them go and keep it. Spend money for kids. Yeah, from in a phone, me not trying to wear no creative. I ain't playing in a mind, I'm no creative. Never do me like Sadie, never level that yo. The first love one, the last one, but the same yard, the police, someone that you want to run up to the yard.
First time, play that again, one more time. Big old Nanas, you're there, you see. I know my reading this, but I don't know. When I say Nanas, big up yourself. Cause them government, them never bless them, see the success, them see the shirt, them see the... When I started that way, me a make you hold me big guy them father, make you see me here cause I'm old. Please guide me gentle, Father protect your soul. Can't stop me from me, can't feel me from me, I do. I ain't not jump on the promise, what I'm going to do. Let me tell them this, me a say that, we are the baddest man they be now. We know I'm from time to fight the whole patient that be. None of them no bad life. You know what I'm saying? You know be a artist over there. You have the money out of the bag. Press play, short time.
Girl, so happy Sunday. Pretty much, you can say just get up, brush my teeth. They drink some tea. And think they are all a reason with President. Big up yourself, J Dizzy. Yeah, my dad try a thing. A Romiech entertainment party, but my performance never did too good, so I never did really enjoy that. Kind of waste of time, but hey, a part of the something there. Journey is it to try to find good content and thing. Better me did go Fet Republic, but don't know. Yeah, me go something the last night with Kid and them and sing Jay-Z. Big up on yourself. I never get to put them on the vlog. One bag of people there and yeah, it's like every man a bun weed now and smoke and drink. Like nobody not sober up no more. Nobody not sober up no more. But anyhow vlogger I'm there. You see it on a Sunday and thing. Why vlogger? I try to work out something for get the control. Hopefully by Wednesday I gonna get it. Kinda did dip in at the money. We go try out Romiech thing, birthday bash. But yeah. I sort it out. But anyway, big up yourself, Romiech. Although you celebrate it Monday. My brethren I know from a long time and thing. But we day have vlog world. It's a beautiful Sunday. Just enjoy the vibes. You know what I mean? Sun is out bright. Sun up health actually. Yeah, so give God thanks for life, you see it. We're there and we just go on journey with your boy. Make you see what I go on for today. Me go link Mackie them today and thing. So yeah, make you see what happen, no?
Yeah.